Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay. So, have you guys submitted your mock?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So, you were able to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How's the preparation
Then,
going on? Is it done?
ma'am,
Hmm.
I have a question related to that.
Mock, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. We will just in today's session we will be discussing the mock uh, paper only. Okay. So, shall we start or should we wait for a few more minutes?
Ma'am, uh,
Yes.
ma'am, in our extra activities, there were five reviews, so I got only four in both
Hmm.
activities. So, ma'am,
Okay.
it is okay or it
Yeah,
is
yeah. It's fine. It's not an issue.
Ma'am,
okay, ma'am?
due to four reviews, there is no mark there. Means now the date of reviewing is over. So how will anyone review that?
That we will see. That you don't worry. We will just um, see to that what to do. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have a
ma'am.
doubt from graded assignment.
Of which week?
Ma'am, week 8.
Week eight. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's just finish up with the mock thing, and then we will take up with the doubts of any assignments or anything. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let's start with the session now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Now. So first question is basically from it's week three, right? So we'll not discuss this. This
Uh,
is week four. Okay. From question three, we will discuss. Fine. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the question is all permutation of the word create with or without meaning are arranged in lexicographic order. That is, all words are in ascending order of alphabets. What will be the 121st word? Okay. Have you guys solved this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is the answer?
Option B.
Yes,
option
ma'am.
B.
B. So how did you solve it? What was the process?
Ma'am, first we have took one A, which is the smallest alphabet, and then
Hmm.
arranged it and keep on going that. 120 words were there, and after that, one word we have arranged.
Okay. What about others? Have you guys solved it? Do you want me to solve it? Anyone?
Ma'am, please solve it. I am not able to solve it.
Okay, fine.
Only 5 to 8 for boost.
Sorry.
Only week 5 to 8 for boost.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So we have to find out the 121 word, right? Okay. Now, first of all, we will start with the word A. The first word letter is A. So the remaining words, remaining five letters will be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now. So the total number of words, how many total number of words will be there? 5 into 4 into 3, right? So this will be
60.
60. Okay.
60.
Now, till 60, I have words with starting with letter A, correct? Now, the next alphabetical word will be after A, it will be
Ma'am,
C.
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 Okay.
C. Yes.
So the starting word we have C. Now, again, the five letters will be arranged in how many ways?
60.
60.
60.
60.
5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is 60 ways. Now, so in total, how many words I have formed? I have formed 120 words. So I need to find out the 121st word, correct? So the next word will be starting from E, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So the 120th word will be E, then the alphabetical order, then A, then C, right? Then again E, then R, then T, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the
Yes,
question
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who, the one who asked me this doubt, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay. Then next question. The next question. Sorry, Divyanshu, are you saying something? Okay. Next, 10 people participated in an online game tournament, out of which 8 participants have at most 3 stars out of 5 stars. Okay, in total, I have 10 people who participated. Out of that, 8 people are having at most 3 stars out of 5 stars. The game development company wants to take the opinion from these participants about the game environment. In how many ways can they choose 5 participants such that at least 3 participants must have at most 3 stars? Did you get the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how did you solve it?
Then we have to make three cases. In first one, we have to take three participants which have who have at most three-star review, and then we will increase. Then we will do 8 C3 into 2 C2, which will come out to be 56 participant. And then we have to make another case with four participants who have all at most three-star. This will be 8C4 into 2C1, and this will come out as 140. And after that, we have make another case in which all participants have at most three-star and 8C5. Then we have 56, and after that, we will add all three cases.
Add all of them. Correct. So basically, we have in total 10 participants. Out of these, 8 participants are having at most 3 stars. Okay. And the rest of them are like 2 people are also there. Okay. Who have not got any, like who have got at least, let's suppose, like at least 3 stars. Fine. Okay. Now, so we have to choose the people. The question that have been asked is we have to choose 5 participants such that at least 3 participants must have at most 3 stars. Okay. So I need 5 participants. Okay. So from 5 participants, I need the like at least 3 participants should have at most 3 stars, right? So the participants who are having at most 3 stars are from these 8 people, correct? So I will be choosing at least 3 people from these 8 participants, and rest of them I will be choosing from this. Fine. You get, guys got the point till here? Okay. So I would be having from this, I can have 3 people, 4 people, and 5 people, correct? In total, I need 5 participants. So from the 8 participants who are having at most 3 stars, I can select 3 people from that, or 4 people from that, or 5 people from that, correct? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So the first number of ways I can do that is 8C3 into I have taken only 3 participants from here. So rest of the 2 participants will be from here, right? So it will be 2C2. Similarly, I took 4 participants from this side into 1 participant from this side. Fine. Plus 8C5. So in total, I have 5 participants. So if you solve this, you will be getting 252 as the answer. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how many numbers can be formed between 99 to 10,000 with digits 0 to 9 with repetition such that having at least one of the digit as 5? Understood the question? So we have to form numbers between 999 to 10,000. Okay. So that means I need to form 1000 to 999, correct? Because in
Yes.
this, 999 and 10,000 are not included. I have to form numbers between this, right? And the
Yes.
digits are from 0 to 9. Okay. And the condition is that we should like at least one of the digit as 5. So it should include 5 digit as well. Okay. So how will we do it? How you guys did it? Anyone? Have you solved this?
Now, first we find the total digits between these numbers, and then we subtract those digits which not include 5 in them.
Correct. Okay. So in total, I need to make a number which is having 4 digits. Fine. Now, in this, at least 5 should be there. So how can I do that? If I calculate the total number of ways, I can make 4-digit number, and from that, if I subtract the number of ways in which 5 is not included. Can I do that? Can I get the number of ways in
Yeah.
which at least 5 is included? Can I get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
so first of all, total number of ways that 4-digit number can be formed is equal to what? So I'm having 4 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first digit cannot be 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Nine.
so I have 9 options, correct?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
1 to 9. Now, in the second digit, I am having, so I can repeat the numbers, right? So I can select from 0 to 9. 0 can be
So
included. So this is
yes, 10.
10 choices. Similarly, 10 choices and 10 choices. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in which 5 is not included. This will be, now,
8.
in this 0 and 5 is not there. So two numbers are not there. So in total, I'm having 8 numbers,
Yes,
8
ma'am.
choices. Now, in the next one,
Now 9 into 9 into 9.
9 into 9. So if you calculate all this value and subtract it from here, you will be getting how much? 3168 as the answer. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am. It is clear to me.
Okay. What about others?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now, find the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from 5 distinct alphabets, taking 2 or more alphabets at a time. Repetition of alphabets is not allowed. Okay. How did you solve this?
Then we have to make cases in this. First, we will make words with a 2 letter, and then we will increase it till 5.
Till 5. Okay. So, how you want to make 2-letter word, 2 alphabets like?
Then first we will select 5C2 into remaining 2.
So I'm having 5 digits, right? I'm having 5 alphabets, A, B, C, D, and E, correct? So I have to make a words with like either 2 or more alphabets at a time, by taking 2 or more alphabets at a time. So the first word can be made by 2 words, okay? Then the second word can be made with 3 letters. The third can be made with 4 letters, and the fourth word can be made with 5 letters, right? Now,
Yes.
if I have to make 2-letter word, so so the number of ways I can do that is from 5. So the 5, I have 5 choices
5C2.
for this and
Yes.
4 choice for this, correct? Five,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, right? Yeah. So it will be 5 into 4, correct?
Ma'am, won't this be 5p2?
5p2. What is 5p2? 5p2 is basically what? 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, which is equals to 5 into 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way. So now for this one also, this will be 5p
3.
5p3. This will be 5p4,
5p4.
and this will be 5p5.
5p5.
Yeah. So these are my number of ways I can do that. I can make a word. Okay. Then we will add all of these. 5p3, sorry, 2 plus 5p3 plus 5p4 plus 5p5, which we will get 320 as the answer. Fine. The question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in a bin, 45% of the balls are blue while 55% are red. Among all the balls in the bin, 40% are metallic and the remaining ones are of plastic. A ball is randomly chosen from the bin. What is the probability that the ball is blue and metallic if out of all the metallic balls, 60% of the balls are red? So what we need to find out? We need to find out the probability that the ball is blue and metallic. Okay. So have you guys solved this question?
Ma'am, but my answer is coming at 0.16.
0.16.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but yeah, so answer is between 0.12 to 0.2. Yeah, the answer is correct only then.
Okay.
It's coming in that range only, na? What about others? Have you guys solved it?
Yes, ma'am, I've done using Venn diagram.
Okay, you have done with Venn diagram. So you are getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am, 0.16.
0.16. Right. Okay, I'll just solve it in a quickly. So what all values I have been given? Let's suppose I am having let's suppose I am having blue ball, okay, and I am representing it by blue. So how many percentage of blue ball I am having? 45%,
45.
correct? Then I am having a red ball, which I am representing by R. That is 55%, that is 0.55. Okay. Now, what all things I have been given? 40%, among all the balls in the bin, 40% are metallic and the remaining ones are of plastic. That means metallic ball is 0.40 and plastic one are 0.60. Correct? Now, a ball is chosen randomly. What is the probability that the ball is blue and metallic? That means I need to find out blue and metallic. Correct? I need to find out this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what other thing is given? Out of all the metallic balls, 60% of the balls are red. That means I've been given probability of red given M. Metallic. Correct? This is
0.6.
0.60. Right? Now, what is the probability of B given M then? See, in this, I need to find, okay, probability of B intersection M will be written as probability of B given M into probability of M, correct? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the question, I have the value of this, but I don't have the value of this. How will I get this value? From here. I have been given probability of R given M is 0.60. What is the probability of B given M?
0.42.
0.40. So just put the values here, 0.40 into 0.40, which is equals to 0.16. Is the solution clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain this how to solve this question with Venn diagram?
With Venn diagram.
Yes, sir.
So we have
Ma'am, may I help here?
yeah. How did you draw it?
Ma'am, basically, I have not drawn the figure, but initially I have taken 1000 balls, for example, and then then we have blue ball as 450 and red ball as 550 as per the percentage. And then in the metallic section, we have 400 metallic balls and 600 plastic balls. In the metallic 400 balls, we have 240 as a red ball. So using this number, I have categorized among 450 of the blue ball. Sorry, I'm talking of the red. So as from the metallic 400, I have got 250 as the red ball. So from red ball, which was given 55%, which is 550. Now I have got 240 are the metallic and 310 are the plastic balls. And then as in the metallic 400 balls, 240 are the red balls and 160 are the blue balls. So from that, I've got 160 are the metallic and 290 are the plastic balls.
You have taken the numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just give me some time for the Venn diagram. I need to think. Okay. At the last, I'll just do it. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, students from 3 colleges, X, Y, Z, have participated in a competition where 30% of the participants are from college X, 20% from college Y, and 50% from college Z. If 50%, 40%, and 60% of the participants from colleges X, Y, and Z respectively are girls, then based on the given information, answer the following question. What is the probability that the randomly selected participant is a girl? This is the law of total probability, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are the, like, how did you solve it?
Ma'am, all the values are given, so we have to just multiply it.
Just multiply, right? Then if a girl is randomly selected, what is the probability that she is from college X? We need to find out what.
Probability of G given X.
Yeah, total probability and then probability of girls from the X
Yeah.
by total probability.
We need to find out if a girl is randomly, what is that she is from college X. Okay. So we need to find out probability G given. G given X. If a girl is randomly selected. No, we need to find out probability of X given G, right? We have been given that the girl is randomly. This is the given condition. We need to find out she is from X. So it will be probability of X given G. Understood? The person who told me that it is probability of G given X. It is not G given X. It is X given G. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need to solve this question? This is simple, I guess.
Yes, ma'am, it's simple.
Okay. No. A machine learning model detects whether the given image is an image of a dog or not. It is found that given an image of a dog, the model predicts it to be a dog in 95% of the cases. On the other hand, if the image is not actually a dog, it shows the image to be a dog 30% of the time. Okay. Suppose an image is randomly selected from a group of 100 images in which 40 are dogs. If the machine learning model predicts it as a dog, what is the probability that it is actually a dog? Next question. Have you guys solved this question?
Ma'am, can you please solve it?
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so let's suppose I'm taking an event A. Okay, so A is my event that the model predicts the image to be a dog. Okay, now the second event is that the event the B is the event that it is actually a dog. Okay, there are two events. Fine. Now, what all things we have been given? It is given that it is found that given an image of a dog, the model predicts it to be a dog in 95% of the cases, right? So that means I have been given image of a dog is given, so that means B is given and it predicts correctly. That is A. So A given B is 0.95. Correct?
Ma'am.
Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the other thing is if the image is not actually a dog, that means it is telling about probability of B complement, correct? B is the event that actually it is a dog and B complement will be it is not a dog, correct? So given that it is not a dog, it shows the image to be a dog 30% of the time. That is A given B complement, which is equal to 0.30. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Can you
suppose
please
an image.
repeat this sentence, ma'am?
Okay. So it is given that if the image is not actually a dog, that means I'm talking about B complement. What is B complement? Not a dog,
Yes.
correct? So given that the image is actually not a dog, but it predicts to be a dog. So probability of A given B complement is 0.30. Fine. It is not a dog,
Mm-hmm.
but
Yes,
predicts
ma'am.
to be a dog. Fine. Okay. Now, suppose an image is randomly selected from a group of 100 images in which 40 are dogs. So how many dogs are there? That is probability of B, which is
0.40.
0.40, which is 40 divided by 100. Correct? Probability. If we need to find out the probability, it will be 40 divided by 100. Fine. And how many who are actually not a dog will be 0.60. Fine. Are these things clear? The probabilities, the values?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what
Ma'am,
we
can
need
you
to
please explain PB?
PB, see, it is given that from a group of 100 images, 40 are dogs. Okay, so if I need to find out the actual dog, the image of actual dog, it will be 40 divided by 100, the number of dogs divided by the total number of images,
Yeah, okay.
right? It
Thank
will
you.
be 0.4. Now, what we need to find out? We need to find out if the machine learning model predicts it as a dog. Okay, it is predicting as a dog. What is the probability that it is actually a dog? That means we need to find out probability of. Okay, what is given in the question? Read the last line carefully and tell me.
It is asking for the actual dog means B given
Given,
A.
given, A. Correct. So, given that it actually predicts it a dog, but like what is the probability that it is actually a dog? We need to find out this thing, correct? So, this will be equal to what? Probability of A given B into probability of B, correct? Divided by probability of A, right? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what is probability of A
Yes.
here? It will be tell me. I need a formula. You want speak. Probability of
Probability of B given A into probability of A.
why it will be probability of B given A?
Because B upon. Sorry, ma'am, it is B upon.
Hmm?
Just a second.
Anyone else? No one? Probability of A will be probability of A by B into probability of B plus. Now you guys can tell me, right?
Ma'am,
Is it fine? This is also not fine.
Yeah, ma'am, fine. It's from the
Law.
total law of probability.
Law of total probability, right? This equation is fine, right? For everyone? No issues?
no issue,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So just remember this thing, okay? So you guys need know how to solve this thing, right? So just put all the values here and you will get the answer as what are the answers that you are getting?
0.67.
0 point?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, by mistake, I've entered only 2 digit. 0.67 I entered and my answer has come wrong. But actually, it should have been 4 digit.
4 digits. So what is the 4 digit number? What
Seven,
about
eight,
others?
six.
6, 7,
8, 6.
8, 6. Everybody is getting this answer only? Right? Is the question clear? Is it confusing or something?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's confusing.
It's confusing. Okay. So now is it clear or anything else you want me to explain?
Yep, this law of total probability, can you please explain a bit?
Law of total probability. Okay. So law of total probability, like in this question only, if I need to find out what is A? A is basically what? That it predicts the image to be a dog. So I will calculate all the cases, right? So given that I will calculate all the weighted average. Fine. So what are the weighted in the sense that given that it is actually a dog, it predicts to be a dog. Okay. Plus given given that it is not actually a dog but predicts to be a dog. So I will take all the cases and add it up. You get me?
Hello,
Not
ma'am,
getting
will
my
you
point?
take doubts?
Sorry.
Ma'am, will you take doubts in this session?
Yeah, I will take.
Yes,
Yeah.
we
Now is
got
it
it. Yeah.
clear? A little bit?
Yeah, I'll try solving it later on, so I'll get better. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a conceptual doubt in a concept. What is a selection of simultaneous selection means? What?
Yeah, I'll
How can
just
we?
just let me complete this thing. How many questions are left? 11, 12.
Ma'am, could you please explain grade assignment 8 question number 2?
Yeah, let me just complete this mock thing and then I will come back to that. Fine?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, the question 10 is clear, right? Shall we proceed to the next question then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Raju wants to collect rainwater so that he can use the water for future irrigation purposes. His land is of the area 1000 meters square. There is a large well of radius 10 meter constructed in his land of 1000 meters square. What probability of water that fell into his land is collected by Raju using the well? Okay. So total area is given and large well of radius 10 meter constructed in his land. What probability of water that fell into his land is collected by the well? How did you solve this question?
Ma'am, we can use area of circle.
Yeah, we can use the area of circle. So basically, I have the total area, right? I have the total area, which is 1000 meters square, correct? And the radius is also given, which is radius of the well is
10 meters.
10 meter. So I need to find out the probability of collecting the rainwater in that well, right? So the probability will be what?
Pi r square divided by 1000.
Pi r square divided by 1000. So pi r square is basically the area of the well. So in the well only the water will be collected, right? So the area of the well divided by the total area of the land, right? So pi into 10 square divided by 1000. So if you solve this, you will get value as 0.31 as the answer. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, such kind of questions will be coming in the quiz.
No. Now, if probability of A is 0.2, B union C is 0.6, A union B union C is 0.7, then what is the value of A intersection B union C? This is a good question. Do I solve this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the values that you have been given? You have been given probability of A is 0.2, probability of B union C is given to be 0.6, probability of A union B union C is given to be 0.7. You need to find out probability of A intersection B union C, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this can be, okay, so let's suppose this is 1D. So basically we need to find out A intersection D, correct? Now A intersection D is
PA plus PD minus PA union D.
PA union D, right? Now probability of A is 0.2 plus probability of D is what? Sorry, it is D. So what is D? D is basically probability of B union C,
0.6.
which is 0.6 minus
0.7.
this is 0.7. So if you solve this, you will be getting
0.1.
0.1 as the answer. This type of questions will be there. So just be careful, okay? Okay. Now, in the statistics paper of qualified exam, there are 5 multiple choice questions, each of which has 4 possible answers. Find the probability that a student will not get all the correct answer. Nice. So, tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minus probability of all question right.
1 minus probability of all question right.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So how will you get that thing? If all the probability, all the questions are right, answers are right?
Ma'am, since it's a MCQ questions, all 5, so the so the probability of one question right is 1 by 4 for each question, and we can multiply it for the 5 time, means 4 to the power 5. 1 by 4 to the power 5, and then 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power 5 should be the answer.
1 minus?
1 by 4 to the power 5.
Okay, so all the answers are. Yeah, that is also.
Ma'am, can you please clarify the question a little bit? Like the question is asking that all the questions are all the answers are wrong, or any of them can be incorrect.
Okay, so in this, let's suppose I'm having an exam and there are 5 multiple choice questions. Question 1, question 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are all multiple choice questions. Okay. And in this, I'm having 4 choices. Fine. We need to find out the probability that a student will not get all the answers correct. So we need that all the answers should not be correct. So in the sense, I can find out. So, like he said, if I find, like I can subtract like 1 minus if all my answers are correct. Right? Or you can also, okay. So let's suppose I'm having 4 choices. So in the first question, I'm having 4 choices, right? This first choice, second, third, and fourth. So in this, I'm having 4 choices. In question 2, also I'm having 4 choices. In third, I'm having 4 choices. In fourth, I'm having 4 choices. And fifth, I'm having 4 choices, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now in total, how many number of ways, in how total number of ways I can solve a question? 4 raised to the power 5, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is basically coming out to be 1024. Now in this question, I have to see in this part, I can also say that all my answers are also correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I need to, so I will subtract in which, so I'm having in total, I'm having 1024 ways in which I can solve the question. Now, if I subtract 1, that means if I subtract the one that I'm having, only one answer can be correct, right? So if I subtract that thing, I will be having 1023 as the answer, right? This is the number of ways the student will not get all the answer correct. If all the answer are correct, that means that will be 1, right? There is only one way I can do that. For this question, I'm having one way to answer the correct answer. For question 2, I'm having one answer correct. For 3, I'm having one answer correct. For 4, I'm having one answer correct, and this. So in total, I'm having 1 raised to the power 5 ways in which I can answer it correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many ways are there? One way, correct? So if I subtract from the total number of ways, if I subtract the number of ways I can answer it correct, I will be getting the number of ways I can answer it wrong. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You got the point or not? Should I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to repeat? Okay. Okay, let's do once again. So I'm having 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? In the first question, I'm having 4 choices. Okay. Second question also, I'm having 4 choices. In the third, I'm having 4 choices. Fourth, 4 choices. And fifth, 4 choices. So total number of ways I can solve this is 4 raised to the power 5. This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This part
Now,
is clear.
this part is clear. So I need, so what the question is asking me, the probability that will not get all the answer correct. So from the total ways, if I subtract that all my answers are correct, then I will get, what I will get? I will get that they did not get any answers correct,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Sorry, I'm disconnected. This is which question number? Of
Question number 13. Right? This part is clear? From the total number of
Yes,
ways,
ma'am.
if I subtract
Subtract
all answers
the
are, sorry?
yes, ma'am. We subtract that all answers are
All
correct,
answers are
then
correct,
we
then I will
we
get
will
that
get
the
that.
answers are not correct, right?
And
Okay.
it means all answers are not correct means one or
Hmm?
ma'am,
All
like
answers are
we have
not correct. That
subtracted
means
that
that he did not selected the correct options in all of the questions. Fine.
means all are
Okay. Now all answers are correct. That means from the first question, I chose like the answer should be correct. That means I'm only having one way to choose that, right? Only one question, one answer is correct. So I'm having only one way. True? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The second question also I'm having only one way to choose the correct answer. In the third question also I'm having one way to choose the correct answer. In the fourth question also I'm having one way to choose the correct answer. And in the fifth question I'm having one way to choose the correct answer. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so how many ways I can choose the correct answer? 1 raised to the power 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 4 raised to the power 5 minus all answers are correct. 1 raised to the power 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is basically what? I will get 4 raised to the power 5 is 1024 minus 1, which is 1023. So these are the total number of ways I can get my answers, like all my answers are incorrect. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what will be my probability then?
1023 upon 10.
1023 upon 1.
Is it fine?
Yeah, ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can proceed to the next question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? You are able to understand the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I have a little bit doubt in language.
Language.
Can you please show up the question?
Hmm.
Ma'am, in question, it is saying that a student will not get all the answers correct. It means that all the answers are wrong.
All the answers are wrong. Correct.
Even single of them is not correct.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. My doubt is that it means that all the answers are wrong. Means even single of them cannot be correct.
Yeah, the single of one of them are not correct. Yes.
Ma'am, I have
Yes.
just a doubt in this question of selecting options. So previously we have seen a few questions in which we select the option in two ways. Means if we select that option, it means the option is correct or not correct. Means there are four options. Then each option have two ways to select or not select. We solve some questions in that way, but when you were understanding, means when you were explaining these questions, I was understanding at that time, but when this thought came, means a option can have two ways of selection, means select or not select. So I am means confused in those conditions.
So you are asking me about if they can attempt that how many ways they can attempt the question, right?
Yes, ma'am. Each question have four options. So in
Ah.
because we have four options, so we can select the option or we cannot select the option. So
See, so how can I attempt that question? So is if I'm having four choices, that means from the four choices I can opt for any one choice, or the thing last option is I'm not attempting that question. Correct?
please can you miss? I was not.
Sorry.
Sorry, ma'am. Whatever you were saying, I was not listening it attentively. So can you please say it again?
I was saying that let's suppose I'm having a question. Okay, I'm having a question, MCQ question. So I'm having a MCQ question, like question one is there. So in that I'm having, let's suppose I'm having true and I'm having false. Two options are there. Fine. I'm
Yes,
asking you in how many ways I can attempt the question.
in two ways.
In two ways. No, in three ways I can attempt. If I'm saying if
In
you are
three ways, yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
So if you are a
Yes, ma'am.
student, I'm asking you in how many ways you can attempt that question.
In
What
three
I
ways.
can do? Either I will choose this option or this option, or else I will not attempt that question. Correct?
Yes. Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
having three options there. So for
Yes,
each
ma'am.
of the question, I'm having three choices. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, here when there is a question, each uh, there are five multiple choice questions, each of which has four possible answer options. So, ma'am, in here they have given us, means there are only four possible answer. As you explained,
Options.
there were only three possible answer options. So, in that way, he has given us there are four possible
Four.
answers.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. If there is a condition before that, means okay, ma'am. Now I got it. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Now, in a family, four boys and four girls are there. In how many ways the seating arrangement can be made in a row of 8 seats such that no two boys and no two girls should sit together? How are you going to solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
What yes, ma'am? How did you solve it?
Ma'am, then the only way left is alternative boys and girls. And firstly, I choose starting with boys, and second is starting with girls.
Correct. So you can do it like that. So I'm having 8 seats, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, and I'm having 4 girls and I'm having 4 boys. And they should sit alternatively, right? So let's suppose, so if I say alternatively, this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I say, if I'm talking about only girls, so girls will occupy, okay, let's suppose the girls are starting from the first place. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. 4, correct? So that means these are my odd numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First, they're occupying the odd numbers and boys are occupying the even numbers, correct? Now, so I will take this first case. So for first case, in how many ways I can do that? For the girls, I have 4 choices, 4 factorial ways I can arrange them, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And boys also can be arranged in
4 factorial.
4 factorial ways, correct? Now, the second case, I am taking that the girls will occupy the even places. And now boys will occupy the odd places. So this will be equal to what? 4 factorial into 4 factorial again,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So in total, I would be having, then I will add both of the cases. Then I will be getting 1152 as the answer. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Also,
No,
if we
ma'am.
use like 2 factorial, multiply 4 factorial, multiply 4 factorial, because we are using two kinds of arrangements here. So 2 factorial and 4 factorial for the girls arrangement in the first one, and then the
4
4
factorial into this, okay. 2 factorial, why?
2 factorial for the two arrangements that we are making 2 arrangements
It is
for the first one and then the
4
second one.
factorial, 4 factorial based on this. Then 2 factorial based on, acha. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. You can do that. This question is clear now? Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now last question. Suppose box A contains 6 red, 8 black balls and box B contains 5 red and 4 black balls. A ball is chosen at random from box A and placed in box B. Now a ball is chosen at random from box B. What is the conditional probability that the black ball was transferred from box A to B given that the ball chosen from box B is red? Next. Okay. So how did you guys solve this question? Let's say contains box B.
Ma'am,
Have you guys
again,
solved this
we
question?
have to apply here Bayes theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you do it?
So, ma'am, we have to find out what is the probability of getting a black ball from bag A, given that there is a red ball from bag B.
Get
So that we can write in the term of formula.
Ma'am, like we can use Bayes theorem as well, right? Bayes rule.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so we were so this is the question. So what is the probability that the black ball was transferred from A to B given that the ball chosen is red? Okay. So what all things that we have been given? So in total, in box A, I am having 6 red balls and 8 black balls, right? So in box B, I'm having 6 and 8 black balls, correct?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in box B, I'm having
5
balls?
red balls, 4 black balls.
5 red balls, 4 black.
Okay. Now a ball is chosen at random from box A and placed in. Now a ball is chosen at random from box B. What is the condition that the black ball was transferred from box A to B? Okay. Given that the ball chosen from box B is red. So let's suppose I'm having an event. Any X. Let's take X. So X is
Red ball is chosen.
the red ball is chosen. Okay. And I'm having XY event as the black ball is transferred. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I need to find out probability of probability that the black ball was transferred given that the ball chosen from box B is red. Red ball is chosen. So this will be probability of
We can use the Bayes rule, right?
so y given x, correct? So this can be written as probability of y intersection x divided by probability of x, correct? Now, probability of y intersection x means that the black ball is transferred and red ball is chosen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Probability of getting a red ball given black ball is there.
Transferred, right? And
Yes.
X is basically red ball is chosen. So what are the conditions? So condition can be that the black ball is transferred, then red ball is chosen, right? Plus if red ball is transferred and red ball is chosen, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So now this will be probability of black ball is transferred and then red is chosen. So this will be
8 by 14 into 5 by 10.
8 by 14 into 5 by 10. Correct. Divided by, this would be 8 by 14 into 5 by 10 plus
6 by 14 into 6 by 10.
6 by 14 into 6 by 10.
correct. So if you solve this thing, you will be getting the answer, which is 10 by 90. Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the last question, right? Is the question clear?
Ma'am, can you please
Yes,
go
ma'am.
back to the solution?
Go to the solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Just hold a second. Just hold a second.
Yes, sure.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'm so sorry. Okay. So, yeah. So what was it? You were asking me something?
Ma'am, I was saying that can you please go back to the solution? I just want to, yeah, that's
Huh. Is there any doubt in the solution?
ma'am by 10, ma'am. I'm getting confused like how 5 by 10 is coming.
Okay. So basically, what is it? I am first of all, I'm transferring black ball. I'm taking black ball from here and transferring it here. So in total, I would be having 5 black balls, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in total, I would be
Yes, ma'am.
having 10 balls in B, correct? So from that 10 balls, how many red balls are there?
Okay.
5. So it will be
Yeah,
5 by 10.
got it, got it,
Got it?
got it, got it.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So all the questions in the mock are clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There
Yes,
are no
ma'am.
doubts? Okay. Now we can proceed with the any assignment question or anything that you have.
Ma'am, the concept of simultaneous selection.
The concept of simultaneous selection.
And ma'am, have doubt in graded assignment 8.
Okay. Simultaneous means, let's suppose, you have to make a 4-digit number, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I'm making a 4-digit number, I would be doing it simultaneously, right? That means if I'm selecting this number, first I will be selecting this number, then I will be selecting this number, then I will be selecting this number, and then I will be selecting this number. Correct? So after this thing, I will be selecting this, then this, then this. So all of these, this whole event is working simultaneously. Correct?
Ma'am, simultaneously, ma'am, so step by step.
Step by step, right? So first thing I will be do this, and then this, and this, and this. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just remember this. If there is an and, then it is simultaneous. Okay. If there is a or thing, then it is not simultaneous.
Ma'am, one example of not simultaneous.
Let's suppose I'm having um okay. So I have so making a password, I am having two cases. Okay. I am having case one in which 0 is being added. So I'm having 4-digit number in this is a password of 4-digit. In this 0 is added. So this is my case one. So if I'm making this event, so after this first digit, I would be having choices for the second event, second digit, then third digit, and 4-digit. Correct? Now
Yes,
similarly, I'm having case two in which 0 is not added. Then I will be making a 4-digit password. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now if I have to, so this case one, if I have to use this password, I would be using this password or this password, correct? I won't be using this simultaneously, right? I
Yes,
won't be
ma'am.
using this password, then and after that I won't be using this password, correct? I would be using any of these password, right? Not both, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So that is. So simultaneously means my whole event is going simultaneously. That means if I'm selecting one object, then after that only I'm selecting this object, right? Like the process is going simultaneously. You got my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
In a
That is
flow.
what simultaneous. Enough. That is simultaneous.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, uh,
Ma'am, can you solve the questions which I had sent through mail?
through mail.
And Anish, you told you'll clear it on Saturday.
On Saturday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just see the questions. First one is, I guess, your doubt is from the practice assignment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from the practice assignment, let's suppose probability that the student is a girl is 0.4, correct? And probability of B is 0.6, right?
Can you
Is it?
guess the question as well? Like which one you're doing right now? Because I
I'm
asked
doing
3 questions.
the practice assignment 7 questions. I think yeah, it's a practice assignment, right? Sorry, activity 8.7 question it is, right?
Yeah.
That question only I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So probability that it is a girl student is 0.4, then probability of boy it is 0.6, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, according to the question, 70% of the boys play cricket. So in the sense, it is given that what the value is given that it's a boy and he plays a cricket. It is 0.7, right?
Yes,
Is it?
ma'am. Yes.
And given that the student is a girl and plays a cricket, it will be 0.6, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, 40% of the boys play football and 50% of the girls play football. So it is given that probability that it's a girl and plays a football is 0.5, correct? Do you have the question with you?
Yes, ma'am. It should be like, why isn't it like probability of girls given football?
No. The question states that 40, see, it's a continuous statement. It is known that 70% of the boys play cricket and 60% of the girls play cricket, while 40% of the boys play football. So it is given that the boys are there and they play football. They are that means 40%. And the student is a girl and plays a football, it is 50%, right?
Okay.
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 50, 50, right? 40 and 50. Yeah. Now, the question is asked, given that 30% of those who play football also play cricket, that means it is given probability that given that students are playing football, they also play cricket. It is 0.33, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we need to find out, a student is randomly chosen and it is known that the student plays cricket. Then what is the probability that the students play football? So we need to find out probability of F given C. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So this will be probability of F intersection C divided by probability of C,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now, what
Yes.
is probability of C? It will be probability of C given G into probability of G plus probability of C given B into probability of B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is probability of, you just calculate the values, okay? Then probability of F intersection C. This can be written as probability of C given F into probability of F.
Yes.
Huh? Now, what is probability of F here then? Correct?
Yes.
Just put all the values. So you have this. So,
Ma'am, so are we like kind of using the base rule here?
so we will be using the base. This is like a, yeah, you can say that this is a base rule. So basically, what is PC? This is the law of total probability in F intersection C. You have to calculate this value. Okay. So this is for a different. So in this, like there is a calculation inside the calculation. You can say that.
Yeah. This question can be easily understood with Venn diagram.
This one.
Yeah, the one we are solving, I did it with Venn diagram and it was quick.
Okay. With the Venn diagram, I have to see actually. I'm not well through with the Venn diagram actually, so I need time for the Venn diagram. I'll just look into it. Okay.
Yeah,
Is it-
okay.
yeah. So is the question clear now?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Ma'am, graded assignment.
Graded assignment, which question?
Ma'am, graded assignment 8, question number 2.
Have you gone through the solution video? Hello?
I think I asked a tutorial question as well.
Tutorial question, yeah. Actually, I've not seen that tutorial. So, can I
I
just,
think I've sent you the question.
yeah, the question has been sent, but I have not watched the tutorial actually.
Actually, like the questions from tutorial comparatively is like pretty hard. So like,
Yeah.
will
So
those
that
type
type
of
of
questions
questions
be
won't be
asked?
there. No. That type of questions won't be there. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So graded, and the third question, I will just look into it. Uh, I'll just look in, and if you have the third question, where is it from?
It's from one of the PYQs. I
It is
have
one.
posted it as well. If you want to check in the
I'll
chat.
just yeah, I'll just look into it and I'll send you the solution. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah, the one person was having a doubt in question 2, right? Have you gone through the
Yes, ma'am.
solution PDF?
No,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have a doubt in question 1.
Graded assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just go through the solution PDF. Maybe you will understand it.
Ma'am, could you please explain? I couldn't understand the entire process clearly.
First question. Let me just go through the first question. So the first question is Zahir Khan has taken 5 wicket hauls in last 15 matches. His match records are selected at random one by one and analyzed. If none of the match record is analyzed more than once, then what is the probability that the sixth one analyzed is his last 5 wicket haul match? Okay. Hmm. Five wicket hauls in the last 10 matches with match record are selected at random. Just give me a moment. I'll just look into the question. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, so
Hello.
hello.
That means I was disconnected. Are we solving the last question of the quiz 2 mark?
No, we have solved the question.
Oh, that point I was disconnected. So is this the grade assignment you have started?
Yeah, but they have, if you are having any graded assignments, questions, I'm just reading this question one actually.
Ma'am, I am not able to solve question number 11 in graded assignment.
Yes,
So me
ma'am.
also
Me
means
too.
question number 11 and question number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Same doubt.
And is this question number 1 that the 5-wicket haul that you are solving?
See, question number, okay, for now, let's see this type of question number one, and then question number, what is 11? Probability. Okay, so like question number 11, these type of questions won't be there in the exam. Okay, so for now, like this, the doubts that you're having for the graded assignment, right? I'll just take in the next session after the quiz. Fine. So for now, the type of questions that we are having in question number 1 and 11, they won't be coming in the exam. Fine. So don't worry about that.
And question number 2.
What is question 2?
Ma'am, would you be able, will you solve question number 2 in this session?
I'll just look into it.
Hello.
Ma'am, is there any class tomorrow?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Predicting the run score by specific offers independent. The probability of being same. Okay. Find it from that the answer is correct. Exactly one thing. The probability of predicting the same events.
Can you discuss question number 13?
Of the graded assignment. Of the graded assignment? I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the similar question like the card one. Have you guys did the card one which was taught by ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the same theory that you have to apply in this question only. So in total, I'm having 52 students, correct? Then 4 international students are there and 48 domestic students are there. So you have to make 4 groups in which 13 students are there. And in that 30 students, in each of the group, one international students should be there. So basically, if you remember, this is the same question as the card one. Do you remember that? There are 52 cards. 4 piles have been drawn, 13 cards in each of them, and one Like each spade, diamond, like four shapes are there of ace, right? So one of each of them should be there in each of the piles. Do you remember that question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the same question. Was that example clear to you?
Okay, ma'am, I will try it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, will you discuss question number 2 and 11 today?
2 and 11 I won't be discussing because I have to see so for now, just for the exam purpose, I'm just telling you these type of questions won't be coming in the exam. So you don't have to worry about it. And the doubts that you're having right now, I'll just discuss in the next session that you will be having, right? That means next week.
Okay.
So I will discuss it. So don't worry about it. I'll just look into the question. Okay. Then I'll just
Okay, ma'am.
explain it to you. Fine?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anything else that you have a doubt in conceptual wise or something? Anything that you have a doubt in concept wise or something? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we end this meet now then?
Yes, ma'am, we can end.
Okay, fine.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
guys. All the best for the exam. Okay. All the best, everyone. Sorry, guys. I was not able to solve the questions. But yeah. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. All the best.